Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix wallpaper and style menu is missing. If you go to the settings, if you are not able to find this menu, wallpaper and style on your device, so let me show you how to this problem. So first of all, you need to update your phone. For this, go to settings and at the bottom you can see the option software update. Tap on this one and tap on check for updates. If there is any updates are available on your device, first of all you need to do the update on your device. Okay, then you need to restart your phone and go to settings, tap on general management, scroll down, tap on a reset, tap on here you can see the option reset all settings. You can reset all settings, so it will reset the home screen settings also. So simply in this way we can fix the wallpaper and style menu missing on the device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.